So in my React Native app, I have a small amount of control over the way things look, more than I had before, so that um, I'm able to center things and line them up and put them together into layers, different sections. The colors here I've chosen are mostly, I mean, they're not terrible, but they're pretty bad, but they're mostly designed to help you understand the way this thing is laid out. I've updated the styles here so that when you go to React Props Native or React Native Address, the two corresponding assignments for the different courses I'm teaching, I've updated the style sheets to reflect what's in this video. Um, and what we're going to do is we're going to use the Flexbox layout. And here you can see in React Native under the docs, under Flexbox, they have a discussion of it. So if you want to read more, you can learn more about it there. Um, Finally, we'll also be using some colors, and you'll find in React Native that they have a colors page in the docs, right? So they have in the docs a Flexbox page and they have a colors page in React Native docs. So you can find out about them. Um, so you can see here that I've set the background color here to powder blue, for the container, for the nav to sky blue, for the display area to steel blue, so that when you come over to the app, this is the container. This is the container, the big thing on the outside, which is powder blue, and the nav on the top is sky blue, and the display area in here is steel blue. Then I color each button individually. So you can tell the different sections that I'm talking about. And I make the app itself be the container style. So the entire app, the big thing that's wrapping everything, is here in the container. Okay, so everything's wrapped inside a container. Then inside it, the first thing you find is the elf header, and the elf header is wrapped in the nav style. And the nav style, as you see, is sky blue. And you can see that I've set its flex direction to row. I don't do flex 1 again because it's all inside of this flex box. But I set its direction to row. Well, notice that the display area for the content is got it set to column. So they end up arranged in columns, while here they're arranged in rows, right? This one is again going to be arranged in rows, these buttons, okay? So in elf header, we give it the styles nav, which gives us the row and gives us this little business. Then in address show, I'm going to have one big style area, which is this display style area, okay? And in there, I'm going to create another style, which will be center content, and that will be my center content here, which has no color but justifies contents and align contents to the center, which is why everything in the middle here is lined up in the center. And then you'll see I have another section. So there's a big view, which is the display area, the whole thing. And then I've got inside that display area all the text, all here, all done as a column. Then I have another view, and inside of it I put the buttons. And inside this view, the flex direction is row. So that's why these guys are all in rows. And then I put each button inside of its own flex box. Okay. And I set its color individually for each one. All right. I don't know if that will give you enough information to be able to start to get better control over the look and feel, but this flex box is clearly the key to it. I'm not recommending necessarily that you have these colors or this lineup. It's just that I've arranged these things to be easy to understand. Okay.